Hello students, I am Mrs. Reema Sengupta from Shade Vidya Mandir English High School, Vasai.
Today I am going to reteach English grammar for standard 7th, active and passive voice part 2.
Present continuous. In active voice, is or am or are writing, and in passive voice, is, am or are being written. For example, they are building a new school. And in passive voice, a new school is being built by them. Past continuous. Was or were writing in active voice, and in passive voice, was or were being written. For example, the student was writing the letter in active, and in passive voice, the letter was being written by the student. Present perfect. Has or have written in active voice, and in passive voice, has or have been written. For example, the girls have collected the books in active voice, and in passive voice, the books have been collected by the girls. Past perfect. In active voice, had written, and in passive voice, had been written. For example, Madhu said that somebody had stolen her car. And in passive voice, Madhu said that her car had been stolen. Next, future simple. Shall or will write in active voice, and in passive voice, shall or will be written. For example, he will not write the letter in active, and in passive voice, the letter will not be written by him. Future continuous. Shall or will be writing in active voice, and there will be no change in passive voice. Future perfect tense. Shall or will have written in active, and in passive voice, shall or will have been written. For example, he will have taken his meals in active, and in passive, the meals will have been taken by him.
There will be change of person while changing from active to passive.